In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task duration in Todoist. This feature is really helpful if you want a more realistic schedule instead of just a long list of tasks with no sense of how long they'll actually take. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open a task, set a duration for it, and save those changes so they appear in your Todoist timeline. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you have at least one task already created. On your main task list or project view, find the task you want to work with. Then click on that task to open its detailed view. This will usually slide in from the side or pop up in a panel, depending on how you're viewing Todoist. Opening the task is important because the duration setting lives inside that detailed task window, not on the main list. Once the task details are open, look for the time section. You might already see a due date or a time attached to the task. Click directly on the time area. This is where Todoist lets you fine-tune when your task starts, and for premium users, how long it will last. If you don't see a time yet, clicking here will let you add one. After you click on the time, a small scheduling window will appear. If you're using Todoist Premium, you'll see an option labeled Duration. Go ahead and click on Duration. This is where you can tell Todoist how long you expect this task to take. For example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 2 hours. Try to be realistic. Setting accurate durations will help you avoid overloading your day and make your schedule much easier to follow. Take a second to review your settings. Check that the time and duration match when you actually plan to work on the task. This combination of start time plus duration gives you a small time block on your calendar instead of just a vague reminder. When everything looks right, click on Save. This step is easy to overlook, but it's crucial. Clicking Save applies the duration to your task and updates it in your list and any connected calendar views. If you close the window without saving, your duration changes won't stick. And that's it. You've opened a task, adjusted the time, set a duration, and saved your changes. So Todoist can now help you manage not just what you do, but how